Hi everyone, this is Nishi Bajaj signing in from Kids Venture. How are you all doing today? I know, we are meeting after almost 10 days. So during this time, we had this fun summer camp for kids by kids. Exactly how we do it on our live session, but this time the kids were teaching kids in a professional manner. Exactly how you log in and you send your children for a summer camp. Our kids did a great job with doodle art, baking, science experiments, and so on. I think it was a great time that all of them had. And today we have another one right from Toronto. She is an Indian, but she's living there. She is going to be teaching us white sauce pasta. I'd like to tell you all that we are coming up with more summer camps like that in the coming week. So stay tuned for that. Hi Neha.
Hello,
So viewers, that's Neha from Toronto. How are you Neha?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good. What time is it over there?
It's 6:30.
So viewers, all Indian viewers, she's actually woken up early in the morning to teach us white sauce pasta. Yeah. So how old are you, Neha?
I'm 11 years old.
11 years old. And what got you into cooking?
Well, I like eating food, so if I cook my own food, I thought it would be
Neha,
fun.
can you be slightly louder for us, please?
Well, I like eating food, so I thought if I cook my own food, it would be fun.
Superb. So I hope you got that, viewers. She likes eating food, so she thought she could cook on her own. Why don't you guys also try her recipe out? Neha, tell us what all do we require for this fun recipe.
So I have 2 tablespoons olive oil. I have 1 cup dried pasta, and after it's cooked, it looks like this. It's almost doubled. And I have 1 clove garlic chopped finely, and I have a half a yellow bell pepper, and I have half a green capsicum, and I have a small piece of zucchini. Over here I have some cream cheese, and here I have half a teaspoon of pepper powder. I have some Italian seasoning, basically oregano and basil, so I'll be using this. And I also have some chili flakes, um, and some salt, and some reserved pasta water. And I boiled 1 cup pasta. I boiled one
Sorry,
cup pasta.
1 cup
1 cup
pasta. So
pasta.
how much did that become?
It can almost become double the amount, so basically like 2 cups.
Okay, and when you boil pasta, did you put something in that?
Yes, so when I boiled the pasta, I put some salt in it.
Some salt. All right, viewers, I hope you got that. And yes, let's begin with this fun recipe by Neha.
Over here, I'm adding about 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil.
Okay, that is something we missed in our requirements. So that is olive oil. Okay.
And now I'm gonna add in my chopped garlic. I'll be adding some of my capsicum and my bell peppers in like a while, so I'm just gonna let the garlic cook. One teaspoon of salt. And now I'll be adding my half teaspoon pepper.
Could you please focus on the dish since we cannot see it? Okay, you've just added some pepper, right?
Yeah, I just added my half teaspoon of pepper.
Half teaspoon pepper. Okay.
Right now I'll be adding some of my Italian seasoning, but I'll also be adding more at the end.
Okay. And if somebody does not have Italian seasoning, can they use oregano and chili flakes separately?
Yes, they can. It's basically just a mixture. Right now I'll be adding my pasta.
Okay, okay.
And then I'll move it over here and start making my sauce. So to start this off, I'll be adding about 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Yeah, and now I'll be adding in 3 to 3.5 tablespoons of cream cheese. So over here, I like my pasta really creamy, so I'll be adding this. But if you like, if anybody doesn't, then they can add like less. So now I'll take my reserved pasta water and I'll be pouring it in.
So when you boil the pasta, keep the water aside because that's what Neha is using right now.
So right here, if you see your sauce is really thin, then you can go ahead and add a little bit more of cream cheese. Here I'll be adding about another half a tablespoon of cream cheese.
Could you repeat that? Why are you adding more cream cheese?
Because I see that my sauce is really thin because of the water.
Okay, because it's really thin, that's why you're adding a little more cream cheese.
Yeah, and if your sauce becomes too thick, then you can always add some milk, or you can add some more water.
Okay.
Okay, now we'll be adding my sauce into the pasta. Once the sauce is boiled and you see all the bubbles coming in, you can add in the sauce to the pasta. So I'll be cooking this for like a few seconds to like 1 minute, so the sauce like gets into the pasta. I like my pasta
Wow.
really juicy, so I made mine like kind of thin. But if you want your pasta like not so juicy, you can always just add more cream cheese to make it really thick.
That was awesome, guys. Don't you think? I think it was a really quick recipe, and I'm sure that I'm gonna make it. I'm
And
sure if I have cream cheese, that is, I'll have to check it. But if I do, then I'm definitely gonna try this one because it seems so easy.
I'll also be adding more Italiano to get more of the taste. So over here
I
you
think
have your
that was
pasta ready.
absolutely lovely, which was ready in 15 minutes.
Yes, and if you like, it's completely optional. You can add some chili flakes on the top to give that spice. So over here your pasta is ready to eat.
Can I see you and the pasta together? Can you put that a little closer so that I can see you also and the pasta? Perfect. I think that's superb. There's a question for you, Neha. Can we add some oil to cook pasta?
Oh yes, you can add oil to cook pasta.
Okay, Anupama, you can add some oil while you're cooking the pasta. Thank you so much, Neha, for waking up early in the morning to teach us what you just did. I'm so glad to have you here. I hope you enjoyed teaching our viewers as well.
Yes.
And
So if you want to see more of these awesome recipes, then you should follow me at Nini's Kitchen on Instagram, and you'll be able to see more easy recipes like this.
I hope viewers you got that. You could follow Neha or Nini's Kitchen and you can see more of her easy recipes. Thank you for being with us. Thank you viewers and I'm hoping to see you tomorrow with a fun pistachio art. Alright, bye bye. See you.
Thank you again.